In this pencast, we're going to be learning about polyhedra nets. So, this problem says, describe the polyhedron that can be formed from the given net. Alright, so A, we have this net for A and this other net for B. So let's start with A. First thing we're going to do is just redraw our net so that we can write on it. Alright. So this is what our net looks like, and we want to know what the 3D polyhedron looks like. Okay, so the two faces right here, this one and this one, are what we call bases, which means they're going to be like the top and the bottom of the polyhedron. Okay, and then all of these faces in here what we call lateral faces. So those are going to basically be around the edges. So basically what's going to happen is we're going to curl this thing up like this. Right? And then we're going to bend these things along this line. Right? So what's really helpful to do is actually maybe like cut one of these out on paper. Obviously I'm not going to be able to show you how to do that on a pencast, but you can do that on your own. So the lines we're going to be folding along are going to be all these ones marked in an X, basically. So we're going to basically fold along all those lines, and then this side right here is going to end up connecting with this side right here on the other side. Alright? And then this side right here is going to end up connecting with, let's see, where is that going to connect? This side right here. Okay? So we're going to end up with something that looks sort of like this. Okay, so as we can see, let's label these. Let's go with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in our picture, this is side 6, alright? And then this is side 2 right below it. And then right here, that's side 3, alright? So the dimensions of this are going to be 6 and 8, like that. And if we were to describe this, we could say, let's see here, it's a polyhedron. And it's convex, but it's not regular, right? So it's some kind of a prism, probably. So it could be, let's see here, how about like a rectangular prism? Rectangular prism. Okay. Alright, so for part B, let's redraw our net again, like this. Alright, so in this case, these are the lateral faces, and these right here are the bases. Okay. So now we need to find out what this would look like if it was in 3D. So basically what would happen is these things are all going to fold around like this. Alright? So we're going to fold on all of these edges. This edge right here is going to end up connecting with this edge right here. And all of these edges right here are going to end up connecting with these edges on this base. Alright? So we're going to end up with something that looks sort of like this. Alright, sorry about this drawing, it's not the best. Alright, so that's kind of what we're going to look at. And this is a prism, right? So we know this is a prism. And prisms are classified by the shape of their bases. So this is a pentagonal prism. Okay, so hopefully that helps you visualize how nets become actually polyhedrons.